session, dear students, welcome you all for the fifth session of Marketing Management of first chapter. In this session, we are going to discuss about essentials of an effective marketing mix. The learning objective of this session is to learn about the essentials of an effective marketing mix, and the expected session outcome is the students are able to understand the important steps to be taken by the business firms for designing an effective marketing mix. Before going to discuss about today's topic, I would like to give you a brief recap of previous session. In the last session, we have discussed about the importance of marketing mix and the factors influences marketing mix. First, importance of marketing mix. Marketing mix helps in pursuing customer-oriented marketing by meeting the requirements of different types of customers. And it also helps firms to increase the sales volume, market share, profits and greater return on investment and in new product development. And the factors which influences marketing mix are classified into internal factors and external factors. Internal factors are product planning, price, branding, personal selling, sales promotion, physical distribution and market research. And external factors are consumers, buyers, competitors and government behavior. Now let us discuss about today's topic, essentials of an effective marketing mix. Dear students, as we discussed in the previous session, marketing is a set of actions, tactics or tools that a company uses to promote its brands or products in the market. From this definition, we can say that marketing mix play a vital role in the success of any product. So that it is very important for the companies to develop an effective marketing mix that makes their products more popular. For that, marketing managers has to keep in mind some of the essential points while developing a marketing mix. Now let us discuss what are those essentials which makes a marketing mix interesting. Number 1, define goal and set a budget. Dear students, developing an effective marketing mix starts with setting the right goals. Goals means what companies want to achieve with their marketing plans. Are they want to increase their sales, or to acquire more customers, or create brand awareness, or profit maximization, or customer satisfaction? And once businesses have set realistic and measurable goals, they should determine how much they are willing to spend on achieving their objectives. ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಒಂದು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ತನ್ನ ಗುರಿಗಳೇನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಗುರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಲು ತಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್, ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಎ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ದೆಮ್ ವೆಲ್. Next, second essential point to be considered in designing an effective marketing mix is study target customers. Dear students, in order to develop a product or service that the customers would want to buy, businesses need to know who they are. For that, businesses must find different segments in their target audience and create separate customer profile for each target market. And in customer profile, they must list out customers' interests, buying patterns, demographic characteristics such as age, sex, education, income, and many other things related to customers. And building a customer profile can help businesses to run better marketing campaigns that in turn increase their sales and profits. And the next essential is identify unique selling proposition. Dear students, while developing market mix, businesses must clarify what their unique selling proposition is. Unique selling proposition or USP is the defining factor or characteristic that set a company apart from its competitors. Say for example, iPhone. iPhone's USP is its operating system and privacy factor. In iPhone, Apple uses iOS operating system, while all other smartphones uses Android OS in their phones. And you may have seen the recent iPhone ad where they have highlighted how their phone is more secure than competitors' phones. Here, Apple thinks its operating system, iOS and privacy factor are its USP. And also, businesses identify the benefits their product will bring to their customers and tell its customers how they are better than anyone else in solving their problem. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನಿಂದಾಗುವ ಲಾಭಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಪರಿಹಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. By doing this, companies can design their unique marketing mix. Next essential is understand competition. Before going to develop their marketing mix, companies must carry out a competitor analysis to understand the different strategies and tactics used by their competitors. And this knowledge will be helpful especially when they are creating their pricing strategy. ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನೋದನ್ನು ಅರಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಬೌಟ್ their competitors' products, their pricing policies, distribution networks, their promotion strategies and like that. By learning all these things about their competitors, companies can develop a better marketing strategy than their competitors. And the fifth essential is identify the unique features of product. Companies must list down the unique qualities and value of their product, and they can build on these when they are marketing it to their customers. ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನಿವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಮೌಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅದು ನೀಡೋ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ನಿಂದ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗ್ತದೆ. Then these things will help businesses to build their marketing mix. And the next essential is create a pricing strategy. While developing marketing mix, businesses must conduct a competitors research to build a pricing strategy to decide whether to go with competition based pricing, cost plus pricing, skimming pricing, penetration pricing, etc. And ensure that the product are not overpriced or underpriced. And the last essential is choose right distribution channels and promotional tools. Dear students, business must choose these channels that distribute their products through based on the type of product and their target customers. For example, ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಹೆವಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ಸ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಥ್ರೂ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಬಜೆಟ್, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ತಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಮತ್ತು ತಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ 7 essentials a company must consider while developing a marketing mix. By this, we have come to the end of this session. I hope you like this session. Thank you for your patience listening.